how they stoop, broken, shivering, and wet, how they stagger, cackling and insane, or sick and poisonous, down the shining ice-fire white lamplit streets out of sight, how they slump, saturated with fermented grain, to the security of the hard, cold pavement, using the wall